Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to save a new template in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation, and we can see we make a template or presentation. Now we want to save this presentation. Go to the file menu, click the save as option, then select the browse option, then go to our file location and choose the file, then write my file name, then click the save as type and choose PowerPoint presentation and click the save option, then wait some moment to save the file, then go to our file location and check the file. We can see here the file. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.